back once again. I'm basically doing this video because I want to promote the Apex Trader Funding sale that's going on, and I want people to know how to set it up, essentially the steps. So here it is. Step one, go to apextraderfunding.com. The second step is going to be, read all about it. Okay, how many trading days do you have to trade in order to qualify? That's 10. And basically what that means is you have to trade for 10 days. And the trade is just basically opening and closing a trade on that day. So say you beat it in 2 days, you beat your profit goal, and you have to wait 8 more days because you have to actually go in and trade and open and close a trade for 8 more days in order to qualify. So the next part is with Apex Trader Funding, they have a trailing threshold. And what it means is your stop loss goes up every time your account goes up, whether you or not you've closed your trade out. So say you have a trade that goes from, you make $500, but you don't close it. Well, your trailing stop has just gone up by $500. And there's some videos in here that'll, within Apex, that'll explain it in more detail. But yeah, definitely understand the trailing threshold before you do this, because if you don't, you will blow the account very fast, very easily, and you'll be resetting accounts and doing that kind of stuff. Don't get caught in that warp. Okay, so understand that as well. You can trade anytime, pretty much, except for between 4 and 5. You have a maximum position size on regular E-minis or micros, and there's quite a few different types of assets you can trade. You can trade during the news. So say you want to trade FOMC announcement or something, you can do that. And then basically once you hit your profit target, they will let you know, and you'll get your funded account very soon after that. Here are the different options: the 25K, 50K, 75K. These all have trailing thresholds. So remember what I said, and understand what this trailing threshold means. The next one, you've got the 100K, 150K, 250K, 300K. That's going to be the maximum one that has the trailing threshold. The static one is pretty interesting in that you don't have a trailing threshold, and a lot of people like this one. You just have a total drawdown. So, say you're in a trade and it goes against you, no big deal, because as long as you don't take losses that take you down to down $625 below the 100,000, doesn't matter. Whereas all these other ones, your trailing stop is going to follow you as your account rises, but it will never go down. Even though you might lose money, your trailing stop is going to stay the same, and it's going to keep following basically the highs of your account. So always try to keep your account with these at the highs, at their all-time highs, because if they drop, you get closer to blowing the account. So very, very risky, but they're a little bit cheaper in that you get a lot more freedom with the trailing, for example, because look at the 100K here, you got a $3,000 trailing, whereas this one, you've got a $625 one. So that's the two differences there as far as having a trailing and just having a total drawdown. This is a different beast than this one, in my opinion. So, basically, if you're going to do it, I would say start off with this one if you're new. Learn how to trade with these micros first before you do anything crazy like this. Now, the Apex sale is 80% right now, 80% off of all of these. So, and then it's 60% off the recurring. If you have to reset, it's $80, and you can do it as many times as you want to. Obviously, they want you to reset it, so try not to. Basically, take it really, really slow if you have to. And you can have up to 20 funded accounts. So you could have essentially 20 $100,000 accounts or 20 $300,000 accounts if you wanted to. Again, start small, and then here's how you set it up. So once you figure this out, you get 80% off of that. So it's like $30 to sign up. Once you sign up, basically you need to come in here, you need to download this, and it'll walk you through step by step. Download the RTrader Pro, download NinjaTrader, and then just basically you log in, and then you're connected to your NinjaTrader, and you can start trading futures. So use the link in the description, get your 80% off code, and let me know how you do. Peace.